Hi, hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Sinu. Today, I would like to show you step by step to create a beautiful and a delicate pink flower using a traditional Kashmiri stitch. Before going to detail about the flower and material gathered here, I would like to explain how to create this embroidery in detail. Stitching start from the outside of the petal first. From the tip we should prick it to the center of the flower, then we should pull it down. From there we should pick it upside by the halfway of the petal. Then after that we should cross over this thread over the first stitch and move to the opposite side. Then from there halfway we should prick it down and we should pull it out at the outside tip of the flower. There we will start with the second stitch. So here it is reached like the same first stitch, the straight stitch. From there we should prick it at the center of the flower, pull it upside using the halfway and cross over the second thread and opposite side. There also halfway we should pull it down and move to the tip of the periphery of the flower petal, and from there the third stitch will start. The same method we should repeat in the this stitching procedure. If you have any doubt about this, you can see repeatedly watching or make it as a slow motion. I think I explained properly. And here the material I used are the anchor embroidery thread. That is also 6 strands of embroidery thread is here, and it is in pink color. The material, the fabric here I used is the poplin cotton material, and the hoop here I used is the 6 uh, 6-inch embroidery hoop. And here it is the time to explain about the Kashmiri stitch. Kashmiri stitch is a traditional hand embroidery from the Jammu and Kashmir from India. It's a well known for the natural inspiring design such as flowers, leaves and birds, primarily using the chain stitch, satin stitch and the stem stitch. In this stitch mainly used in the shawls and home decor items. The main color using here are the contrast colors and the solid colors. So these all are the main details of the Kashmiri stitch. If you like this type of video, please subscribe the channel. Please give me a like and please support my channel. In this video you can say that first we are dividing the petal into half. So here the first half got over and the remaining the thread should be moved from the downside of the fabric and go to the remaining half of the petal. So from there when we are doing the same stitches, here the crossing over stitch should be go to the opposite side. I think the stitching method is very clear now. If you have any queries, just give me a comment and I will solve it.